Hello, and welcome to African American History from 1865. My name is Professor Fanone Wilkins, and I will be your instructor and guide this semester. I want to welcome you. But before we begin, I want to introduce you to something we call the Learning Pack. The Learning Pack is the way that you and I will show up for each other. And I want to talk to you about 5 things I'm going to do for you, and then 5 things I expect you to do here in class. Let's begin. 1. I will ensure that our class will be a safe and equitable space for you to work and learn. 2. I will be present, attentive, and open to any questions, feedback, or concerns about the course. 3. I will actively participate in all facets of your learning and be responsive to your needs about the course within 24 hours during the week and roughly 48 to 72 hours on the weekend. 4. I will provide constructive feedback on your work to support your growth as a student learner. And 5, I will keep you informed of critical due dates for quizzes, exams, and written assignments. Now, here are 5 things that I actually expect from you. 1, I expect you to take the time to read the syllabus and digest its contents thoroughly. 2, I expect you to participate in class activities and complete the modules every week. 3, I expect that if you are unable to complete assignments on time, that you will contact me so that we can discuss possible solutions to your challenges. 4, I expect you to work collaboratively with your peers and me to foster a respectful learning environment that honors curiosity, critical reflection, and academic excellence. 5, I expect you to be open-minded and embrace the opportunity to consider new ideas that may challenge your own. Looking forward to working with you all.